Free bird.
They're gonna fly by.
Free bird. Free bird. Yes. Oh my god.
Free bird, free bird,
Free bird.
free bird.
Free
The bird is free.
Free bird.
Don't tell me he's rocketing. Do it.
Free bird, man. I love it. Oh my god.
Free bird. Why?
Free bird.
Free bird. Free bird.
We don't need his body. We need free bird.
I'm gonna say.
He's coming. Free bird is coming.
Oh Lord, he's coming. Oh.
Oh, he's dead.
Oh.
That's a bell.
Nice bird.
What about icebergs? We should teleport him.
No, don't teleport free bird, man.
No, Drac died.
Oh. Just never teleport free bird, man.
Yeah, he's dead, I think. Oh, he's not.
Wait, no, his jetpack! His jetpack! We must help him to free bird again. Come on, I know it's around here somewhere. Oh! We can just leave. He must free bird again. Footsteps? Oh, badass bump. What the hell? Titan is fucking huge. We must help Freebird Man Freebird again.
Free bird.
Where did he go? We need to help him Freebird.
Oh.
Is he dead?
He might be, honestly.
Stop fucking. No, he's alive.
No, I won't.
Wait, everyone. We have to get money to help him
Killed
get
a
another
spider
jetpack.
in a loop.
We must help him Freebird again. Get on. Hello, Coilhead. No dick, no balls, and probably no buttholes since this guy feeds on radiation. Fuck you. That's a bracken. Man, can I have my frames back, please? 10 FPS. Great. Hi.
Hi.
It was a
that
coil head,
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, be careful. I think a mask spawned in. Right
Okay.
outside. Okay, so Freebird Man is still burning the free.
Yes. Freebird Man is still birding. Good to hear.
Yes.
Always good to
You're
hear.
still a free bird. Good lord, he freaking massacred this facility, man. Like,
Did he
it's
kill
Thumper-
everything?
I think he killed a thumper, a loot bug, and a spider.
He's freebirding, obviously.
He's freebirding all over the place. Oh! Freebird! No!
What's his cause of death?
I don't do spaghetti.
Dog.
Oh.
Just dog. Close the door.
Zion's dead, right? Definitely dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's everyone's dead. Corpse. That's everyone, right?
I think so.
Okay, launch. Alright.
Poor Freebird.